Good morning, children. I am new teacher for UKG. My subject is teaching English. Okay, children. Today we have to discuss about the he and she. The difference between the he and she. When we will use the he and she. Okay, children. మనం ముందు చెప్పుకునే ఉంటారు ఈ షీ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తారో మనం ఇంకొకసారి రిపీట్ చేసుకుందాం. హీ అంటే ఏంటి, షీ అంటే ఏంటి, దేనికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది అని. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్స్? లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ క్లాస్. హీ will use for boys. He will use for boys. So continuously while writing the names we will use he. Continuous గా పేరు రాసే బదులు మనం he యూజ్ చేస్తాం. For example, Ramu is wake up at 6 o'clock. Ramu is going to school. Ramu is playing. Okay, children, these are sentences. Ramu is wake up at 6 o'clock. అతను 6 o'clock లేచిండు రాము అనే అతను. రాము ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్కూల్, అయినా స్కూల్కి వెళ్తున్నాడు. రాము ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ గేమ్స్, రాము గేమ్స్ ఆడుతున్నాడు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ద నేమ్స్ we will use he. Instead of writing the names we will use he. He means అతను. అతను రాము 6 o'clock లేచిండు, అతను స్కూల్కి వెళ్తున్నాడు, అతను గేమ్స్ ఆడుతున్నాడు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ writing the names again and again we will use the he. Okay children, once again, he, we will use he for only boys. Instead of writing the names again and again we will use he. Okay children, he ఏమో boys కి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రాము 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 ఇట్లా కంటిన్యూస్ గా రాసే బదులు రాము బదులుగా he యూజ్ చేస్తారు. Okay children, now we will discuss about she. She is used for girls. She is used for only girls. Okay. She means Sita. Sita is going to school. Sita is writing neatly. Sita is a very good student. Okay children, now read the sentences. Sita is going to school. Sita school ki వెళ్తుంది. Sita is writing neatly. Sita neat గా రాస్తుంది. Sita is a very good student. Sita అనే అమ్మాయి very good student. So instead of writing the Sita 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 we will write she. We will write she. Instead of writing the Sita 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 we will write she. Okay now, she means ఆమె. సీత స్కూల్కి పోతుంది, ఆమె నీట్గా రాస్తుంది, ఆమె వెరీ గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ది సీత 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 we are using the she. సీతకి బదులుగా మనం she యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So she we will use only for girls. He we will use only for boys. So these are the differences between the he and she. We will use for girls she. We will use for boys he. Okay children, now we clarified about he and she. Okay children. Okay, today's topic is he. We will use he is. Okay na? అతను he is యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అతను is. He is. Now see this publication, open your textbook number 12 and see the activity number 2, book 2. So this is the fill in the blanks. When we will use is, usage of is and she are. Okay, is given his sentences, just we fill up. Okay children, atanu ఈ sentences ఇచ్చిండు, మనం fill up చేద్దాం. ఈ book quotes to Joyous series. Okay na children? Who have these books? Please open these books and see the fill in the blanks. Shall we start children? So first one is Dash is my brother. My brother. Brother means he is boy. That's why we are using he. He. Brother అంటే boy. Boy కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ he యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. He is my brother. So అతను మా బ్రదర్. అన్న కావచ్చు, తమ్ముడు కావచ్చు. బ్రదర్. He is my brother. Okay children. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి that is. అతను, అతనికి. is అతనిది బుక్కు, అది అతని బుక్కు, అతనిది. సో హీకి మనం is యూజ్ చేస్తాం, ఈ పర్సన్కి మనం is యూజ్ చేస్తాం. that is his book. Okay children, that is his book. First one is he is my brother. Brother means boy, that's why we are using he. He ki manam is use chestam. That is his book. That is atani book. Okay na children? Children 7 minutes. Okay children, now second one. Dash is a doctor. So he is a doctor. Here look at this picture. He is boy. He is male. So we have to use he. Atanu boy kada andukane manam he use cheyachu. He is a doctor. Atanu doctor. So the answer, they are his patients. They are dash patients. He is osadi. HIS is. We will use is for his. Okay. He is a doctor. Atanu doctor. They are his patients. They are his patients. Valu atani yokka patients. Okay children, this is second one. Now go to third one. Dash is a tailor. Okay. That is machine. So he is man. Okay, he is boy. He is a man. That's why we will use here he. He is a tailor. Okay. Atanu tailor. He came వస్తుంది is. అది అతని machine. అతని machine. అది అతని machine. Okay children. He is a tailor. That is his machine. అది అతని machine. Okay, now fourth one. Dash is my mother. Okay. That is dash purse. So here what is specified mother? Mother means she. Okay. Mother means girl, woman. We will use for girl and woman she. She is my mother. Okay children, she is my mother. Mother means girl, now we will use she. Okay, that's why she is my mother. And that is she came వస్తుంది her. That is her purse. ఆమె యొక్క learn and write in classwork 2 times. Page number it is 12 in course book 2. Okay children, are you understand about he is and she her? Okay children, thank you.